Jaya Rama, Jaya Jaya Rama.
I would like to wholeheartedly express my, we're so thankful to all the teachers here, Soumya ma'am, Anusha ma'am, Vasudha ma'am, and today our chief guest, Srimati Valli Kumar ma'am. You have done a wonderful job. It's a very small word to actually be telling. And we really thank you from the depth of our heart, because it's not just the title that we give that, okay, we're introducing Samskrita, Samskriti, Samskara to our children. That's what the title says, but you have actually done every bit of it. And I can actually see that enthusiasm, the energy every day. The question mark is, what do we do on the next Monday? That's what we're wondering, because we have all been together in the part of this journey, and it's been just a wonderful experience. And the way you've taught him Sanskrit, those small little words, and the Shishu Geetam, he's so happy to sing all those, and the Sanshepa Ramayana, the bhajans, all those things have been just wonderful. And yesterday, the way children presented throughout the day was an amazing experience for all of us. So thank you very much, and looking forward to more such activities.
Ram Ram Ram, I love this course a lot, ma'am. In fact, now I'm learning how to even read and write Sanskrit. I can understand Sanskrit, or the reading, whatever I can. If someone gives me a Sanskrit letter, I can read it off. So then, ma'am, I like the Shishu Geetam bhajans and the Nitya Prarthana shlokas. Actually, I learned so many things.
Ram Ram Ram. It was actually a wonderful shibir. I must say that when his shibir was actually gifted to him by his Dodappa. So he kind of looked at him and said, okay, fine, you wanted to join the shibir? And Pradyumna said, okay. And he joined the shibir. I think last 3 weeks, Pradyumna has really enjoyed every single minute of this shibir, and learned so many new things, and so many bhajans, so many Shishu Geetams, Dinacharya, shlokas. And I think, as you have said very correctly, is to practice now going forward. And I think he will definitely do it. The kind of interest that he has got now in Sanskrit, Samskriti, Samskara, everything, I think he definitely will try and do something on a daily basis, on dinacharya basis. I just would like to also say that some of the bhajans which were taught to him, they used to be sung by my mother 30 years back, and I had not heard them quite for a very long time. I also really enjoyed those bhajans, especially Atma Rama and Akhilandeshwari, Amba Parameshwari, etc. So wonderful effort by all the teachers, all the gurus, and all the administrative staff to promote such a beautiful language, beautiful and a very deep understanding of Sanskrit is required for all of us going forward in our life. Thank you so much.
Ram Ram. Yes, so as my father said, I have been enjoying these full 3 weeks since the first class, and the Ram bhajan and the Hanuman bhajans and Shiva bhajans and all the bhajans that you have taught are very nice, and the shlokas of the Dinachari shlokas are very nice also. These I will keep on practicing these shlokas, and those subhashitas and Aditya Hridayam, I will practice them and learn them first, then I'll keep on practicing them. And the Sanshepa Ramayana also I'll practice. Dhanyawad for all that you have taught, ma'am. Thank you.
Ram, ma'am.
Ram.
I think first I would like to thank you all for the patience with which you have been engaging the kids.
Ma'am, we learned very nicely. You taught us very goodly.
Ma'am, it was very nice. During the summer holidays, we had lot of fun to learn.
Firstly, please accept our humble obeisances unto you all, the great teachers, and also Valli ma'am, for having conducted such a wonderful course for the kids. Indeed, in the today's world, where modern civilization has taken over, we have come to a stage where we feel that Sanatan Dharma is almost lost. So at this hour, your efforts, I would say that your commendable efforts in reviving this Sanatan Dharma and giving the roots of our actual existence into these children and also to the elders of this age is really something which is worth offering the prostrated obeisances unto you all. Coming to this course, Vyoma Vasanta Sibiram, really in the Vasanta Kala, these young budding children learning our very Sanskriti, Samskara is something, a very rare opportunity one would get. And the way you have structured this program, the way you have crafted each and every module, and the way you have embedded those intricacies wherein the child can revise, understand, comprehend it better is very highly commendable. The amount of efforts that you, the teachers, have put in instilling that Sanskrit knowledge unto these children, the way you have presented, the way you have made it interesting to them is something very amazing. And this is exclusive to our own Sanskriti. Nobody else can make such a good work out here. I am really thankful for crafting such a wonderful course and engaging the children during this summer session in a meaningful way. The time which is otherwise spent in a different way is, I feel that has been utilized in a very worthwhile manner, wherein children had really developed the interest for the first time so far that they were able to realize the value of our Sanskriti, which is a great treasure. So I also could see the commitment in the children that yes, they said that they will continue the learning of the Sanskriti and Samskara. They will remember all these lessons, they'll revise. And I would say this is not the end, this is just the beginning. And we are, I'm hopeful that they would continue with the sort of interest that they had evinced towards learning the Sanskrit. And I also would like to take the opportunity to express my sincere gratitude unto Vyoma team. You're doing a very wonderful job. Indeed, I got an opportunity to visit your office and see all the courses. It is very amazing. This selfless effort of the Vyoma team is really commendable, and we pray unto the Lordships that may you always stay blessed in continuing your endeavors to spread this or impart this great knowledge to the entire world. Once again, last but the last few words which I would like to say is I'm really amazed at the knowledge levels and the active participation of all the children who are present over here. And really, you're all very amazing kids. In fact, I was sometimes wondering that I didn't have this privilege during my childhood days. Perhaps even I was also brought up with the same modern school. But you're all very fortunate. You all have participated, brought color to this entire program. Good. I wish you all very best. And as ma'am has said, you should strive to take this further and take the maximum out of the valuable time that your teachers have spent over you. So good. I wish you all the very best. Thanks a lot once again, ma'am. Thank you all so much.
Ram ma'am.
Ram.
Camp is very interesting, ma'am. The splash course composed with basic learnings
Yeah, I think from my side, what I would say, I echo with all the parents' comments. This course has, I think, laid a very strong foundation to connect the roots, to the Sanatana Dharma, like one of our brothers said. And I think coming to Venkat, I think I've seen that energy, though we have him in many courses. I think he was very interested to join, learn, actively participate, and make the best use of this time. So I think it's a great job from the teachers, and I hope this only spreads across and covers many more students across many states. I think being online is the biggest advantage. I think we can cover more children, and I'm pretty sure you'll do a great job, and it will help the children to learn Sanskrit and the importance of the Sanatana Dharma. Venkat?
Hari Om, ma'am. It was a very nice course, ma'am. Because of you all. Thank you very much.
I've been hearing all the parents expressing their happiness. I'm no different. We are extremely happy to have enrolled Archana in this course. She is, like you have mentioned earlier, one of the youngest of the participants. In spite of her young age, she was able to participate actively just because of your perseverance. Thank you all. I realize it has been a very difficult to manage as well, but I'm very happy to thank you also to have conducted this course.
Ram. I liked making puppets. I like coloring. I like a story. Thank you to all teachers.
Namaste. I'll take few minutes to talk because I have so much to say. First thing is I want to thank all the teachers who have engaged the students in such a very wonderful manner, and congratulations to you. I think you have won all your students over. To tell you, I was desperate to search for such courses for my son for the past 1.5 years. It starts with, we were in US for some time, and there it was very easy to join my son in such courses. He was having the teleconference calls daily. He used to learn Bhagavad Gita, little slokas, the essence of it, and he could we could actually see the change in the behavior of many good things were happening. And after coming back to India, I thought in US you're getting so much, so India it will be like plethora of all the choices. And I don't know, this course was actually godsend. So then we tried to see all the courses which was there, and suddenly we got this the splash in our in my mail. Then we enrolled, and good things happened after that. And I wish you please continue such courses for children who are of vulnerable age group, because I have seen many who has this materialistic knowledge. They do wonderfully in their school, they score very high, but they don't have that that self-confidence or the determination what they have to have, and they go to all those the things which they should not do morally. And I think you understand the samskarams and the character is definitely spoiled. And I always believe materialistic knowledge and the samskaras don't go hand in hand unless we as parents we try to teach. And being in the pandemic, we already became their teachers. We teach them everything what they happens in school, because school now that it is a very little part for them, and mostly parents have taken over teaching them in all. But now making them sit and again making them learn all the samskarams and Sanskrit slokas and all this has become very difficult. If children don't daily they keep seeing my face for full all the time, then they lose the interest. So I think this has come at the best time to my to all the kids who have attended, and they have I think we are very thankful to all the teachers. Dedicatedly you have taught them, you have actually been a part, and I have seen how you have conducted the competitions. You never criticized, you were so polite to the students, you were so encouraging to the students, you were giving them second chance, third chance. It's wonderfully done, ma'am. I really appreciate the teachers' effort here. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Ram, ma'am. Thank you for the kit. I am learning that
Rama, Jaya Jaya
shlokas,
Rama.
shabdnas, writing, etc. So thank you so much, ma'am, for the kit.
Hi, Ram 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 Ram. So that's how this course was very useful, that from parents he don't want to learn, but from the teachers of Vyoma he will definitely learn. So it is a good starting for, yeah, that kit, PSC kit is also, we like it very much, the way you prepared all the animations, and it's really very good content, and we recommend all to purchase it. And thanks a lot.
Ma'am, thank you for arranging this kit and this course. I learned a lot of valuable things from this. Thank you so much.
I had a wonderful experience in this course. The activities, the art and craft, and the way which we learned, that was wonderful. Thanks a lot for the course and your help. Thanks a lot.
Ram Ram Ram. Really enjoyed this course. It came really well. We never thought it will be so fun filled, and so learning the Sanskrit. We are also just got interested in the Sanskrit because of a pandemic. So this is really wonderful course. Vyoma is doing really good, and you guys have a lot of responsibilities now to take forward and make all the kids learn and spread the words. So we are also there to spread the words. And Vihan, want to say something?
Hello, ma'am. Hello, all teachers. Thanks a lot for this wonderful course, ma'am. I'm also very much interested in Sanskrit, learning Sanskrit. So I was also part of some of the sessions of Sanskrit Bharati. And at least, yeah, we could make our 4 kids from our family attended this session, and really they thoroughly enjoyed the session. Mahati, Deepthi, and Kartikarya and Advaita. And I thank all the teachers for this wonderful program. And also I'm attending some of the sessions from Vyoma. I think the Vyoma service is a kind of excellent service. They are trying to bring all these the culture and the treasure to the all the young kids actually. And really I thank Vyoma for this great effort. And also we were fortunate to attend the last Vasanta Shibiram conducted by Vyoma also, learning from Bhagavatar. So the kids also learned a lot of bhajans and other things. So they were also practicing. And this summer really we were wondering how we are going to engage the kids actually. And suddenly I saw this Vasanta Shibiram starting. So immediately we registered for it, and people, meaning kids, thoroughly enjoyed that, and it went in a very useful way. I felt.
Ram ma'am. Ma'am, I enjoyed this course thoroughly, and thank you to all the teachers for making this course really enjoyable. I liked learning the new shlokas and bhajans, and also I was happy to be part of the fun activities and gain knowledge in Ramayana. Thank you once again to all the teachers for making this course really amazing. Thank you, ma'am. Ram.
Ram, ma'am, and thanks to all teachers for spending their valuable time in teaching us this course. I really enjoyed this course thoroughly, and I learned a lot of new stuff like bhajans, Ramayana, slokas, etc. And thanks a lot, ma'am. Ram.
Ma'am, I enjoyed a lot in the summer camp, bhajans, Shishu Geetam. All I enjoyed, ma'am. Thank you.
Ma'am, thank you very much for the conducting such a very good class, because my son is not into Sanskrit. This is his first exposure to Sanskrit, but still he enjoyed a lot. And my younger child also, he liked the bhajans, shlokas very much. They are learning daily and they're very excited for the recitation and all that. Thank you very much, ma'am. And also my sincere thanks to Soumya Nagaraj ma'am also. Thank you very much, ma'am. I wish all the best for the Vyoma institution to meet the pinnacle of success in the coming future. Thank you, ma'am.
Namaste, ma'am.
Namaste.
During this tough times, this course it came like a blessing, and I really appreciate all the efforts by the teachers, by the Vyoma Sanskrit lab and the institution to, it was designed so well for them to introduce my kids to a very new language, which is actually our basic. But they enjoyed all the shlokas, the rhymes, bhajans, and especially Ramayana. They're more interested now into Bhagavad Gita. So they're seeing some of your videos and trying to learn. Yeah, it was this design. The kit also was designed very well. I really appreciate the teachers and everyone for their patience and encouraging the participants, the kids, for their interest and all. It was really nice of you all. Thank you so much. I wish my kids would really join more of your programs in future. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Sriveda?
Yes, ma'am. Ram. Ma'am, I thoroughly enjoyed this course. All of the teachers, you have taught us very nicely, ma'am. It has made the learning very easy, ma'am. So I thank you for all the efforts you've made for teaching us.
Ram, ma'am. I am very thankful to Vyoma for conducting such a wonderful summer camp for children where they were fully occupied. And it was really a very good experience. And my daughter Nistita, she has started learning Sanskrit this year. And it has helped her a lot very much. Thank you. And I'm looking forward, as you said, you'll be sending the step-by-step link. I'll be very thankful if you will continue this program. Thank you. Nishchita.
Ma'am, I really enjoyed every surprise hour and the art and craft which you did. That's it, ma'am. Ram.
Yes, though we couldn't have her enrolled from the beginning, I just got to know about the program only in the last minutes. So thank you for the opportunity. And you did give her permission to participate even in the competitions. So thank you, ma'am. It was so kind of you. So thank all the teachers for their support in helping children to learn the language. And as most parents said, even my daughter has started learning from this particular course. The Samskrita exposure is only from this particular course that she has got to. And I'm looking forward for more such courses from your end. Thank you, Vyoma Labs, once again. Thank you all.
Ram, ma'am. Thank you for this opportunity for joining me in the summer camp. And I enjoyed this course, and I'm going to be looking forward for more classes like this.
Ram, ma'am. Thanks for all the teachers, ma'am. Thanks for all the teachers.
Hello, madam. Namaskara.
Namaskar.
So even though ನಡೆದಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತ ಶಿಬಿರ, it is really exposed my kid, to the language and also to learn more into the by way of fun and activities. She has shown a lot of interest and she has learned a lot of things. Of course, she knew a couple of things, but now she is able to put it in a nice, orderly, things and events of Ramayana and about Sanskrit, all those things. So even though I studied Sanskrit for almost 5 years during my high school and college days, I understand a little, but still I'm not able to speak, at least in a small communication on Sanskrit. So, and also my plan is to have Swati to select Sanskrit as her first language in her curriculum when they start in 5th standard. And Vyoma, this is really doing a nice job in promoting the language and creating the interest, especially a lot of interest in kids like my daughter Swati. And your study material also, it's really entertaining and very keep the kids also, especially kids and also even the elders, very interesting. So she used to glue to that and study that kind of topics. So I thank you and Vyoma for having organized this kind of classes, and suggest to come out with more and more classes so that we'll get into this and learn our language so that we can use it in our daily life, and that is my aim actually.
Ma'am, before this, I thought only English and other languages are fun to learn, but now I got the opportunity to learn Sanskrit, which is also fun to learn.
I just wanted to tell that thank you for the enjoyable classes that children have fun, and I also had lots of fun doing these classes. Thank you.
Ram Ram Ram, ma'am.
Ram Ram Ram.
Ma'am, I love this course to learn the Sanskrit, and I loved Ramayana story, ma'am.